And it's recording.
Yay!
Dude, oh my god.
I'm okay.
Did it die yet? No, it's still alive. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. It's fun, dude. I almost fucking hit I almost hit my head on that thing. Oh my god. I can't. Okay, this one might hurt. Fucking spear.
I hurt my fucking...
Oh shit, I missed the match!
I'll save you!
Fuck! Oh shit. Ah, dude, that fucking hurt. Look, my knee landed right there. Right on the only concrete spot. I can't get up. Oh, fuck, dude, that really hurt. Dude,